10 amazing facts about stars. Keycap 1. Did you know that some stars are bigger than our entire solar system? For example, the star Uy is so huge that if it replaced our Sun, it would reach almost to the orbit of Jupiter. Keycap 2. Stars may look tiny in the night sky, but in reality they are massive balls of burning gas that are millions of kilometers wide. Keycap 3. The closest star to Earth is the Sun. After the Sun, the nearest star is Proxima Centauri, which is about 4.24 light-years away. Keycap 4. When you look at the night sky, you are actually looking into the past. Some stars we see today sent their light hundreds or even thousands of years ago. Keycap 5. There are more stars in the universe than grains of sand on all the beaches of Earth. Scientists estimate there are hundreds of billions of stars in our galaxy alone. Keycap 6. Not all stars are the same color. Some stars appear blue, white, yellow, orange, or red, depending on how hot they are. Keycap 7. The hottest stars can reach temperatures of over 40,000 degrees Celsius, which is many times hotter than our Sun. Keycap 8. When very massive stars die, they explode in a powerful event called a supernova, which can shine brighter than an entire galaxy. Keycap 9. Some stars live for billions of years, but the biggest stars actually live shorter lives because they burn their fuel much faster. Keycap 10. Scientists believe that every atom in our bodies was once created inside a star. So in a way, we are all made of stardust. If you love amazing facts about space, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more hidden facts.